Hey, what's up everyone? This is Kimberman from Kimberman Gunpla Studio. Today I have here a model kit from Kotobukiya, which came from the video game Zone of the Enders second runner. And this game was released by Sega on February 13, 2003 in Japan, and it is the platform of PlayStation and Xbox 360 if I'm not mistaken. So actually I had a hard time finding this kit since 2022, and now I finally bought this from Arisha Toys for about 1,750 pesos only. So it's very cheap because nowadays it's very hard to find, but luckily I found this in Shopee Ph on the shop of Arisha Toys. So this is none other than the VIPER. So this VIPER is being piloted by Leo Stenbach, and he's the former pilot of the JNJT, and I think this is the upgraded LEV of him, or the labor use extraorbital vehicle, something like that. Anyway, let's check this kit out and let's see what's inside. Los gets fine viral. So the box art here shows the very sleek looking Vic Viper, and to be honest, this is much I liked more than the JNJT, because this is the first Zone of the Enders model kit, or the Zone of the Enders Anubis, that I saw in the internet before I know about the JNJT and the Anubis. So I had a hard time looking for this kit, but luckily I found it cheaper. So this is the box art here. We can see the Vic Viper with his bladed extremities here, but there's a small finger that can emit from his blade, and there the feet or the legs of this kit has the similarity with the JNJT and the Anubis also. So that's how their appearance looks from the video game. So this is the Vic Viper from Kotobukiya, and it was released 2012, I think. So you can see here, and the side of the box here, we can see the front view, the rear view of the kit, and it is aided by the action base stand, because it cannot stand on its own, because it has only a little feet or landing gear. I had a hard time making the JNJT stand on its own, so it really needs this included action base stand. So there we got the hands or the fingers for the blade, then the feet, landing gear, and it can transform. To be honest, this is the only kit in the game that can transform from this jet mode up to the Mecha model mode. So there, the other side, yeah, we can see the visor and the head. The other side, we only see some explanation here, and that's it. We open the box here. So as you can notice, the box is already tattered because this is an old stock from Arisha Toys. There are already scratches on the edge of the box. So if we open the box, we can see the instruction manual having the same picture from the box art. There we can see the Vic Viper poses here, the Mecha mode and the Jet mode. There it has the bladed arms, and it has fingers emitting from the bladed arms. There it is in the jet mode. So the parts list here doesn't show many parts, so it's an easy build. Maybe I can build it within 2 hours, and the build is not complicated, as I experienced also with the JGHobbiez. JGHobbiez is very easy to build, to be honest, and there it's not so much for this model kit. So the half of this manual is all about the transformation, and yes, it's all about the transformation sequence. But you know me, I don't transform my kits to avoid making it more loose, especially the joint parts. So there we got the decals placement for the VIPER. So it will look more nice if you put these decals there. Okay, so the parts here are white parts for the armor pieces, white parts for the wings. We got some gray polycaps and this brown visor here. We got gray parts for the inner frames and indigo parts for I think this one for the legs. We got some gray parts again for the inner frames, and finally we got this brown parts for, I think this one for the accents, and small gray parts for, again, inner frames. It has also included action-based stand, just like the Anubis and the JGHobbiez. So there it has engravement of Anubis, Zone of the Enders included. And we got this water slide decals. It says number 74, and there's this barcode looking just like a price tag, and that's it. So as always, let's have a quick runner review before we build the kit. We've got here the white parts for runner A. So these are mainly the armor pieces. Then we got this runner B for, again, white parts, armor pieces. And I think these small pieces of plastic here are for the hands or the finger emitting parts. But I choose not to put this because I much like the bladed arms or forearm, because this will look more sleeker for me. And there we got runner C for the white parts for the wings, and we got 2 of those. And we got indigo colored parts for runner G. We got runner D here for the inner frame. We got runner F and another runner F, so we got 2 sets of runner F here. And finally, for the small parts, we got runner H for this brown color accents, and runner E for gray. I think this one for inner frames again. And we got polycaps, small amount of polycaps, and runner J for this joint pieces here. and this small runner eye for the visor of the JLT. It's also show this action base to help the model kit stand, because it cannot stand on its own. And there we got the water slide decals. So the parts of this kit is not so much, so I can finish this within 2 hours, I think, or less. So again, this is Kimmerman from Kimmerman Gunpla Studio saying thank you very much for watching this unboxing, and see you next time when I review this kit. And to be honest, I will not transform this kit because I don't like transforming kit. Maybe I will review this on its mobile suit mode. So thank you very much. God bless. Take care. Masalama. Auf Wiedersehen. Goodbye. Paalam.